ladies and gents, welcome to another little vloggy. We are indeed in Bear Mountain. And now we're heading towards New York City. I'm gonna go to the Palisades. I've been riding from the Catskills for a while now, and I am ready to just hit the highway all the way back to New York City. But before I do that, there's a couple more miles of these beautiful twisties here. It's a chilly day. It's like 50, feels like 36 or something. I've been kind of cold all morning. Nice chill little area here. Super relaxing. I don't know why, but there's a ton of cops this morning. It's a Monday morning. Ton of bubbo. Don't know why. We're not violating too bad. Just kind of enjoying ourselves. No need to speed. It's a fun little local tale of the dragon, if you will. Miles here, gonna get on a big fat road. Gotta slow down here. A lot of times there's cops here waiting to ruin your little day. Look at this. Welcome to Lake Welch State Park. Gorgeous park over there. Areas to the right. One of my favorite pull-offs here. A little too windy today for any sort of photo ops or the like. So we kind of take all the turns at civilian speeds. Such a nice area here. There we go. Cute little dam. Oops. Major trouble. half hour from New York City, this area. Well, maybe 45 minutes. Worth it. Worth the trip. Highly recommend it. And we can keep going, but unfortunately, we are indeed about to peel off. In exactly 2 miles, we'll be back in the norm, back in traffic. But until then, beautiful state park. Four-wheelers. Got some trails around here, I guess. Alright. And here we are to Palisades, which will take the Tappan Zee Bridge and then off to the Bronx and all that. Alright, boys and girls, I will talk to you soon. And, yeah, I will talk to you soon. I'm going to turn the camera back on when there's a little more action as we're crossing the Tappan Zee Bridge. Bye-bye.